Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to go over our guide for disassembling our GameCube controller. You won't need many other tools other than a Y1 tri-point screwdriver and optionally a J0 screwdriver if you plan on removing your triggers. As always, everything you need will be listed below, and now let's get started. Start with flipping your controller over and unscrewing the 6 Y1 screws and then remove the back cover. Note the position of the cable around the plastic posts, as well as the orientation of the rumble motor. These must be installed exactly as shown during reassembly to ensure a proper closure. Also note the position of the trigger potentiometer sliders. They must be fully in the up position for the controller reassembly. Next, remove the rumble motor and set it aside. Carefully unclip the 2 wires from the rumble bracket. The rumble motor will remain attached to the PCB for this assembly. And remove the Z button and set it aside, and you can now remove the main board from the front shell. Now we're going to remove the rumble bracket. Flip the main board over and note the 2 plastic clips which secure the rumble bracket. Press these clips in with your finger or a spudger tool to release the rumble bracket. Note that the trigger connection pads are still connected to the rumble bracket at this stage. We'll remove these next. Carefully route the trigger pad PCB wires under and away from the rumble bracket. The smaller PCBs should easily slide out as you lift up the bracket. Lastly, we'll move on to the sticks and buttons. The sticks can be pulled away from the stick boxes with a bit of force. The sticks only fit in on one orientation, so note the keyhole shape when reassembling. Then remove all buttons and membranes if you wish to clean them or replace them. Next is our optional step, which is now removing the triggers. Start by removing J0 screws, holding the trigger brackets in place. Note the orientation of these brackets and trigger spring assemblies as they are not interchangeable between the left and right side of the controller. There is a metal hinge which must be unclipped from the trigger. However, not all controllers have this clip, so check before proceeding. And now we can carefully tilt the trigger up and remove it along with the spring assembly. The spring assembly can be disassembled further as shown. And that's it.
That was cool!
Now you can change your buttons, add some mods, do anything your heart desires here. And of course, follow the steps in reverse to get it reassembled. We hope you enjoyed this video, and shoot us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.